we're going to explore how many records Microsoft Excel can handle. It's a common question, and the answer isn't a single simple number. Excel's capacity depends on several factors, so let's break it down. 1. Worksheet size. A single Excel worksheet in modern versions, like Excel 365, Excel 2019, etc., hold over 1 million rows, 1,048 and 576 to be precise, and 16,384 columns. That's a massive number of potential records. Multiply that by the number of worksheets in a workbook, and the potential record count skyrockets. Workbook size. While a single sheet has impressive capacity, the entire workbook has limitations too. The total size of a workbook is limited primarily by available system memory, RAM, and hard drive space. Massive workbook filled with data, especially large files like images or embedded objects, will consume significant resources, potentially slowing down your computer or even causing Excel to crash. Practical limit is much lower than the theoretical limit. 3. Data type. The type of data you store also plays a significant role. Storing only numbers will consume less space than storing rich text with formatting, images, or other complex data types. More complex data types increase the overall file size and can reduce the number of records the workbook can handle. 4. Computer resources. Your computer's processing power and available RAM are crucial. If your computer has limited RAM, it will struggle with very large Excel files. The more RAM your system has, the larger the Excel file it can handle efficiently. Slower processor will also impact performance significantly with massive datasets. 5. Excel version. Older versions of Excel had lower limits on the number of rows and columns. The newest versions, however, offer significantly more capacity than earlier versions. 6. Practical limits. Even with the immense theoretical capacity, you'll likely encounter practical limitations long before hitting those theoretical maximums. Excel's performance will degrade noticeably as the file size grows. Calculations, sorting, filtering, and other operations become slower and more resource-intensive, making a massive workbook unwieldy and unproductive. It's generally recommended to use databases like Access or SQL Server for managing extremely large datasets exceeding several 100,000 rows. These database systems are designed to handle significantly larger datasets more efficiently than Excel. Therefore, while Excel can handle over 1 million rows per worksheet, the practical limit for efficient work is far lower and depends on the factors mentioned above.